What is your good name, madam?
Uma Shiva Kumar.
Okay. You tell me what is your age?
61.
61. What problem you had, and after taking miracle drinks, how it has been helpful for you? Tell me.
I suffer from constipation, migraine, body pain, ankle pain, lightly knee pain. After taking these miracle drinks, I feel I took nearly 1.5 months. Now I feel I'm very healthy.
Good.
Very, very healthy. But unfortunately, I have not taken for 1.5 months. But again, it is starting body ache.
So and whatever that constipation problem,
that's all good.
That's all.
No migraine, no gastric trouble.
It is totally once for all has gone out. Only after leaving the medicine for 1.5 months. And plus home remedies and all, that body pain has restarted.
Not actually body pain, ankle
only
pain.
To ankle pain.
Ankle pain.
Okay. Because why I am asking all these questions is the whole world, who are suffering from migraine and constipation and this body pain, they think that I have to suffer, in entire my life like that. So for them, you people are like angels to transform the messages, whatever, which you have experienced through this miracle.
But before that, I feel I'm totally 100% perfect in health view.
Wonderful.
But after before nowadays I am not taking the medicines right now. I feel leg pain. So I came here to take again.
Okay, madam. Okay, thank you.